Hello and welcome to today's English lesson. So first of all, guys, can we all turn to wave and say a big hello to our friends on camera? Hello. Hello. And we'll begin by doing our meditation sequence. So I will sit down, take 2 fingers, find our heart center, left hand on our lap, and close our eyes. When you're ready, guys, you can come back to the class and open your eyes. And next we'll do our stretching sequence. So let's stand up and push in our chairs. Let's stretch up high, high to the sky. And then go back down low, down to our toes. And now back up high again. And this time, let's go tippy-toe high. And then back down to touch your toes again. Stand up straight. And we'll rotate left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Excellent, guys. Let's have a shake. Shake it out. Shake it out. And now we'll take our right hand and we'll touch our left foot. And back up. Left hand, right foot. Right hand, left foot. Left hand, right foot. Right hand, left foot. Left hand, right foot. Right hand, left foot. Left hand, right foot. Excellent. And to finish, we're going to do 5 claps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent, guys. Have a seat. Now, who can tell me what type of places we learnt about in the last English lesson? Things that are outside, what do we call? In nature, okay? Anything that is outside, we say, is in nature. So let's spell that word together first. N-A-T-U-R-E. Nature. Nature. And teachers, what we'll do now is, remembering the flashcards from the previous lesson, we're going to introduce them again so our students can practice speaking and spelling things in nature. So who can tell me, guys, who remembers what place this is? Forest. What do you see at the forest? Lots of trees. And how about this place? Ocean. Very good. Our next place is lake. Like the ocean, but smaller. And next we have, high up in the sky, mountains. Excellent, Lackow. Well remembered. And there's one more place that we learnt about last lesson. Yes, well remembered. It's the waterfall. So all together, guys, forest, ocean, lake, mountains, waterfall. And where do we find all these places? In nature. Not natural. Natural is the adjective. We say nature. Excellent, guys. Very well done. And we're going to do an activity now for our students to practice spelling. So what I'll ask my students to do is close their eyes. Okay. Open your eyes, guys. Who has the pen? Net. Come and join me at the front. Okay, so Net, you get first choice. Which place would you like to spell? How about lake? How do we spell lake, guys? L A K E. Excellent, Net. And can you say lake? Lake. Excellent. That was well done. High five. Big round of applause for Net. So Net, you can relax now. Everybody else, close your eyes. Okay, let's open them again, guys. Lackow. Lackow has the pen. So let's see which place Lackow is going to spell. Which one would you like to spell, Lackow? Waterfall. Okay, let's spell together, guys. So water, W-A-T-E-R-F-A-L-L. Perfect. And what's our place, Lackow? Excellent. High five. Big round of applause for Lackow. Okay, so that's 2 places. Still 3 to do. So who'll be next? Okay, Bangpon, come and join me at the front. So let's see which place Bangpon would like to spell. How about ocean? Ocean, the big stretch of water. How do we spell ocean, guys? Let's help our friend. O-C, not C, O-C-E, E-A-N. N is like up, down, up. Okay, so the place that we've got here, Bangpon, ocean. Okay, well done. High five for Bangpon. Round of applause. Okay, so now we'll do our next place name. Let's close our eyes, guys. Open your eyes, please, guys. Nadia. Nadia, come and join me at the front. So let's see, there's 2 places to choose from. Forest and mountains. Which place would you like to spell? Forest. Okay, so how do we spell forest, guys? F-O-R-E-S-T. Nadia, that's excellent and lovely writing too. So we've got Forest. Excellent, Nadia. High five. Big round of applause. Still one more place. So let's see who can go next. Okay. Open your eyes. Pak Bung, come and join me, please. Can you help me write the final place name? And can you remember what place it is that we need to write? Mountains. How do we spell mountain, guys? M-O-U-N-T-A-I-N. Excellent. And that place again, Pak Bung? Mountain. Very good. High five. Big round of applause for Pak Bung. So that was well done, guys. Now one final time, we'll practice speaking all of the places again. Forest. Ocean. Lake. Mountain. Waterfall. Are all places found in nature. Well done. And what we're going to do now is we're going to have a look at the PowerPoint presentation again to help us understand the different places of nature and how they work with adjectives. So let's turn to look at the TV screen, guys. So let's take a look at the PowerPoint presentation about nature. Excellent, guys. You can see all of the things on the picture associated with nature. Flowers, trees, grass, sky, birds, dog, moon, and planet, sun. Blue lake. Yes. What color is the lake? Blue. So blue is the adjective that describes the lake. Wide lake. Deep lake. So you can see how different types of lake look different. Wide lake and deep lake. Narrow lake. Yes. Next we have mountains. Tall mountains. Snowy mountains. Why are they called snowy mountains, guys? What can you see on the mountains? Snow. So we call them snowy mountains. But how about these mountains? Are these snowy mountains? What type of mountains are these? Rocky mountains. Because you can see lots of rock. And our next place, waterfall. Big waterfall. Beautiful waterfall. Open waterfall. Ocean. Misty ocean. This is an ocean where you can't see very far. There's lots of mist. So we say misty ocean. Blue ocean. Similar to blue lake. They're the color blue. So we call them wavy ocean. Why is it called wavy ocean? You can see lots of waves, exactly. These are what we call the ocean waves. So we can say wavy ocean. Lake, waterfall, mountains, ocean are all places in nature. And notice from the PowerPoint presentation, all of our places had a word in front of them. This word was used to describe each place. Does anybody remember what we call the type of words that describe things? Adjectives. Excellent. Because soon we're going to be practicing nature with adjectives. Any questions, guys? No. Okay, well done. Welcome back to class. We hope your students enjoyed the PowerPoint presentation to remind ourselves about the different places in nature and also how we can use adjectives to describe the places. And what we're going to do now is a flashcards activity so that we can understand how to describe things. So teachers, what you'll need to do is print off the flashcards for this lesson and have one set to demonstrate each of the pictures and words first. So here we go, guys. The flashcards that we're going to look at now, the first one, high. Like we could say high mountain. But what's the opposite of high? Low. And we could say low fields. Low fields. Next one, big. Now what can you see in the picture? Ball. So we can say big ball. Or small. Small ball. Next one, shallow. Shallow. What does shallow mean? Shallow means when the water is very low. If the water level is low, the water level is shallow. We only use with water. But what's the opposite of water being low? Water being high. And what do we call high water? We call it deep. Okay? So shallow water, deep water. Remember the words with the pictures, guys, because you have to match them soon. Narrow. Narrow. Narrow is very thin. And what's the opposite of thin? Wide. Wide. Narrow. Okay, so remember the pictures, guys, with the words, because soon we have to match them together. And back to high. High, which we've done before. So these are the pictures and these are the words. So teachers, what you'll need to do is have another set of flashcards too, with the pictures and the words separated. And what we'll do first is we'll put the pictures on, and then we're going to ask our students to match the correct word with the picture. So let's see. Don't have to say yet, guys, but say if you think you know. That's the first picture. We'll have the second picture over here. Third picture. Fourth picture. Okay, so now we've got all of our pictures on the board. What we need to do is match the correct words with the pictures. So I have 8 pictures, and luckily enough today, I have 8 students. So everybody can close their eyes, and we will match the pictures to the correct words. Okay, so first word, let's see. Okay, we'll give the first word to Chew. Chew, Come and join me at the front. Okay, what word do you have? High. Okay, so let's see, which picture do you think best represents the adjective high? Nearly, you're close. This one, yes. Excellent, Sue. So can you say high? High, perfect. The adjective high. High five. Round of applause for Sue. Okay, so Sue, you can relax now. And now we'll look at our second word. Okay, lackout. Can you open your eyes, please? And come and join me at the front. First of all, show your friends your word. Shallow. Now, does anybody remember what shallow means? Low water. So which picture has the low water? Excellent. We can put them above or below. So Lakau, your word, shallow. Excellent. High five. Round of applause for Lakau. And teachers, what you can do now, you can see the activity we're doing in our class. You can pause the video and play on with your students the same game. And we're going to carry on playing here. Okay, Pat, can you join me at the front, please? Come and show your friends your words, your adjective. What's this word, guys? Low. Low. So not high, we're looking for the opposite of high. Low. Pat, which picture is low? Do you think? This one is high. So this one, excellent, yes. So you can stick it there. And can you say low? Low. Excellent, Pat. High five. Big round of applause for Pat. Next word. Okay, who's next? Prao. Prao, it's your turn. Come and show your friends your word. What word does Prao have? Deep. Okay, so we had shallow before, now we're looking for deep. Prao, that's excellent, very well done. That is deep. High five. Big round of applause for Prao. And our next student now, Pak Bung. Bring your word for me. Okay, so Pak Bung, can you show your friends your word? The word is narrow. So remember, narrow means a very small, thin. Are we sure? Oh, be careful. We've got... Excellent. Don't be too quick. Have a look at all the pictures. So what's our word, Pak Bung? Narrow is correct. High five. Big round of applause for Pak Bung. I think it's Net's turn. Net, come and join me at the front. And can you show your friends your word first? What word do we have, guys? Big. Big. Okay. So which picture best represents the adjective big? Is this big? No. How about, is this big? Yes. So Net, can you say big? Big. Excellent. High five. Big round of applause for Net. So 2 more left, and we have 2 students. Okay, Nadia, can you come and join me at the front, please? What word do you have? Show your friends. Our words here, wide. We've had narrow, now we're looking for wide. So which picture do you think is wide? Not really that one. That doesn't look wide to me. That's shallow. How about, you see, narrow. Here we have wide. What's our word again? Wide. Excellent. Well done, Nadia. Big round of applause. And we have one word left. And we have one student left. Bang on. So, okay, here's your word. But you're lucky because you know you can see the picture with no word. Which word or which picture still doesn't have a word? Excellent. And our word is small. Can you say small? Perfect. High five. Big round of applause for Pang Pon. So all together, one final time, guys. High. High. Big. Deep. Wide. Narrow. Shallow. Small. Low. And what type of words are these? Beginning with A. Describing words. Adjectives. Excellent, guys. Very well done. And now it's time for our stretch sequence. So let's stand up and push in our chairs, guys. We're going to have a game of teacher says. So if teacher says, you can do. If you don't hear teacher says, don't do. Okay? Touch your ears. Touch your nose. Hands on knees. Teacher says, touch your shoulders. Teacher says, hands on head. Teacher says, turn around. Teacher says, turn back the other way. Hands on hips. Teacher says, hands on hips. Teacher says, jump. Stop. Teacher says, stop. Teacher says, touch your ears. Teacher says, touch your nose. Touch your toes. Teacher says, touch your toes. Teacher says, into a ball. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, jump. Teacher says, jump. And teacher says, sit down. Excellent, guys. Well done. And now it's time for our worksheet activity. So teachers, what you'll need to do is print off a worksheet for each of your students. And for this activity, it's 2 worksheets per student. Because what our students need to do, what they must do is read the sentence. And they must only colour the picture that best fits the sentence. Okay? So each sentence has 2 pictures. Our students must read the sentence and colour the one that's best fitting. And then, under the picture they colour, write the sentence again. So for example, number 1, the widest lake. What does wide mean? Wide. So look at the picture that has the widest lake, colour that one and write the sentence, the widest lake. Number 2, the biggest mountain. So we'll colour the biggest mountain. And then underneath, write which one it is. Number 3, the deepest ocean. So colour the picture where the water is deepest. And then write underneath the deepest ocean. And finally, number 4, the biggest waterfall. So have a look at the 2 waterfalls. Which one is biggest? Colour that picture and write the sentence underneath which one you think it is. Okay, guys? But what's the first thing we must do? Write our names on top, exactly. And give our students around 15 minutes for this activity because they have to think first, then colour and write the sentence. So, Ned, here's yours.
Thank you.
Okay. Pak Boom, you're welcome. Crow, here's for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Pat, these ones are for you. Black Gow and Chew. So remember, guys, each number, each question, only colour one picture. Colour the picture that best fits the description. And then write the description underneath. So, bang on, for this one, number 1, the widest lake. Exactly, so this one, we colour this one. And then you can colour in, and then underneath, you can write the widest lake. And then the next one, the biggest mountain. Yep. So only have to colour one picture each time. Okay? And you can colour them in anytime, any way you wish. And don't forget, after you've coloured in the picture, to write the excellent, Nadia. That's perfect. Yes. And don't forget to write, so the widest lake, this one. Excellent. You can write this here. So you get to practice writing too. Not just about colouring, we can write. So Chew, here we have this one. Number 1, the widest lake. So we have this or this. Which one do you think is widest? Excellent, this one. So colour this one and then write here the widest lake. You can write these 3 words here. No need to do this one. Only colour one picture per question. The deepest ocean. So deepest is that's most water. Which do you think, which is deepest? Yes. So you can colour that one. No need to colour this one. Excellent, Bang Pon. Widest lake, correct. Ned, very good. You can write your sentences first and then colour, or you can do each one together. Write and then colour. But remember, only need to colour one picture per question. And you'll notice from previous lessons, all of our adjectives are in superlative form. Widest, biggest, deepest. I think so, yes, the biggest, this one. Excellent, Pat, well done. Let go, that's lovely, well done. Chew, excellent. Okay. Yes, the biggest mountain. So you can write here the biggest mountain under this one. The biggest mountain. Chew, don't forget your name. Welcome back to class. We hope your students enjoyed the worksheet activity where they could decide which of each of the pictures best fitted the sentence. And our students then had to colour that picture in and write the correct phrase underneath. And our students here all did a great job. So well done, guys. So one final time before finish. High. Big. Deep. Wide. Narrow. Shallow. Small. Low. And these types of words, describing words, are called adjectives. Well done. And we can use them to describe nature. So excellent, guys. Round of applause. And that's all we've got time for today. So we hope you've enjoyed the lesson, had a fun time, and enjoyed the activities too. And we'll see you again soon for the next lesson real soon. So can we turn to wave and say goodbye, guys? Goodbye. Bye-bye. See you again soon.